Swap USDT to Solana on Phantom Wallet. How to swap USDT to Solana on Phantom Wallet is easy and simple. Now after you open your Phantom Wallet app, now tap on swap. Now after that, select USDT from here. So search for USDT. Now for me, I don't have it, so I don't have USDT to select it. In your case, if you own it, you will see it and select it. Now after that, select Solana. And as you can see, enter how much you want to swap, and here you will see how much of the coin Solana. Now for this, tap on Sol, and after you select the Solana coin, for example this, now here you will see how much you will receive of Solana. Now check the provider, and as you can see, it is two, and you can check the price, and if you are ready to go and you have funds. For me, I don't have, so I can't find swap. In your case, tap on swap and you are ready to go. So this is how to swap USDT to Solana on Phantom Wallet. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.